finally, and probably most importantly, Skype for Business is not a deploy and forget technology. It's not a project that you finish and that's it. It's an ongoing service, and there is an ongoing operations and managed service wrap on that. So make sure you're monitoring your performance, both in terms of number of calls, number of conferences, number of minutes, but also in terms of technical performance, so packet loss, jitter, latency. And make sure as you're scaling your user's service that you're keeping up with those metrics and ensuring for success. And what you'll find is the more Skype for Business takes on within your business, the more usage will go up. People find it's really easy to conference, so they'll do more of it. And as a technology department, you want to keep ahead of that curve and make sure you're setting up the infrastructure to support those requirements as the business grows in usage. So have an idea around how you're going to manage it as an ongoing project or service beyond just the deployment phase, and ideally have a team of business engagement, of technical engagement, of service and support, any dependency teams that required for Skype for Business. Make sure you have either a full-time team or a virtual team that is responsible for managing and supporting the service over its life cycle.
Key point there to pull out is that your start point may be very different to your end game. It's very much a journey when you're going along these type of projects. So your end journey could be something like being fully cloud deployed. So make sure that you, during that life cycle, you do measure, monitor, and just look and take into account all of those kind of operational considerations for how you're going to support and move through that particular roadmap that you have. What's important to remember is, unlike communication projects of the past, where you would very much be looking at proprietary siloed type project, actually what we're talking about here with an advanced collaborative or communications environment, or unified communications, however you want to call it, it actually has a lot of touch points across a lot of different parts of the business. So through the security, through the technology, through the infrastructure, through the network, through the users. So you're actually having to bring together teams of people. It's about changing a big part of your organization and the way you're working.